So welcome to the live demonstration component of our REDI launch. I'll just do a brief talk through of some additional software features, and then I'll jump right into a demonstration print highlighting all of our key capabilities. So as Steve already highlighted, there's area in the software for setting what configuration of components you have on the machine, as well as all the expected manual controls you'd see on any sort of printer. What I've done over here is I've taken our lattice creators and our spiral G-code generators and such, and I've chopped and changed them into a custom macro. And this is something that any user will be able to do to incorporate complex features into single print processes. So cutting over to the close-up view of the printer now, I'll hit run macro, and we'll see the print begin. This first section is a functionally graded two-line scaffold, which shows it going from completely shell material to completely core material and back again. The structure of our coaxial nozzle, which camera am I on? That one. Is shown here with our red material representing the shell and the blue material representing the core, with the capability to fully or partially encapsulate the core material during printing. Once this line finishes, it'll move to a two-layer scaffold, one of the more common structures printed during research of tissues and cell printing. This lattice will also be a coaxially printed lattice, with the core fully encapsulated. You'll notice that at the beginning of this scaffold, it can jump straight into the fiber that it is extruding. This comes from a level of tuning for the materials for the print process, with appropriate extrude and retract to prevent oozing. Now, with our lattice creator, the number of pores and the size of the pores, the amount of flow rate, all are easily customizable to mix and match these structures to whatever your application requires. Next up will be a spiral print. The spiral prints are used to make discs of non-porous hydrogels with a material encapsulation in the center as well. This has the capability to be run as multiple co-printed spirals, several layer spirals, even a dome spiral. And this spiral functionality is a demonstration of our ability to adapt and customize our software for user requirements. This was a feature request from a user. After this spiral finishes, it'll demonstrate the photo cross-linking process with our onboard 4 or 5 nanometer LED. At the beginning there, it did show a ramp up of the power from 0 to 100. I made it a bit too fast to show it was there. And that is the capability of the 3D REDI.